Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export video in Capcut PC in the best quality possible. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Okay, let's import the video and add the video to the timeline. Now click on Export and let's go through all the settings. So first we have Export, where the video will be saved in your PC or laptop. You can change the location by clicking here if you want. Right now, all the exported videos will go to my download folder. After this, we have video settings. So I export all my videos in 4K resolution, but Capcut has so many options that you can choose 2K, 1080p, 720p, and 480p. Second, we have a bit rate. So for this, I usually go for recommended, but you can also go with lower, higher, and custom. Now we have codec, I go with H.264, but you have two other options as well, HEVC, AV1, and for format, I go with MP4. But you can also go with Move. For frame rate, I usually go with 30 FPS, but you can go higher and lower. If we scroll a bit, you can also export video in GIF format if you want. Now let's export the video. And here is the video in the download folder. Let me play. That's how you can export video on Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.